Welcome to AmeenAcademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu SSLC textbook unit exercise question number 6 2. Reduce the given rational expression to its lowest form. 10x cube minus 25x square plus 4x minus 10 over minus 4 minus 10x square. Here we have to do the long division. 6 2 10x cube minus 25x square plus 4x minus 10. Here minus 4 minus 10x squared is written as minus 10x squared minus 4. Here 10x cube over minus 10x squared is minus x. Multiply minus x is minus 10 minus minus plus 10x square plus 10x cube and minus 4 into minus x is plus 4x. 4 here space 0 plus 4x square. 4x, then subtracting, first cancel, here minus 25x square, here cancel, minus 10. Then here minus 25x square and 10x square is that 5 by 2. 5 by 2 multiply 5 by 2 is minus 25x square and 5 by 2 minus 4 is 5 by 2 into minus 4 is minus 10 0. Therefore which gives that therefore the lowest form is equal minus x plus 5 by 2. Now let us do question number 7. Simplify 1 over p plus 1 over q plus r over 1 over p minus 1 over q plus r into 1 plus q square r squared minus p squared over 2qr. Question number 7. One over p plus 1 over q plus r over 1 over p minus 1 over q plus r into 1 plus q square plus r square p square minus p square over 2pr. Now let us simplify this by qr. Let this is not p, this qr. Now here in numerator, here 1 over p 1 over q plus r, the LCM is p into q plus r. Here 1 into q plus r is q plus r, p into 1 is p over p q plus r is an LCM, and here q plus r minus p into 2qr is an LCM, then 2qr plus q squared r squared minus p square. Here this 2 p into qr is cut both. After that we have q plus r plus p over Q plus R minus P into, here see here Q, this one as it is 2QR, 2QR plus Q squared plus R squared minus P squared over 2QR. Now Q plus R plus P over Q plus R minus P into, here Q squared plus R squared plus 2QR is P plus Q whole square. P plus Q whole squared minus P squared over 2QR. Now Q plus R plus P over Q plus R minus P into, here P plus Q whole square minus Q square minus P square is the difference of square, that comes P plus Q, here dot P Q plus R here, here because we have 2QR plus Q square plus R square is Q plus R whole square, then it becomes Q plus R plus P into Q plus R minus P over 2PR. Here Q plus R minus P, Q plus R minus P is a common factor, both cut. After that, which is equal, look at this Q plus R plus P, here Q plus R plus P, that is whole square, that is we can write in order P plus R, PQ, PQR, P plus Q plus R whole square over 2PR, 2QR here, 2QR, 2QR. So we have Q plus R plus P whole square over 2QR. Next question. Here Arul, Ravi and Ram working together can clean a store in 6 hours. Working alone, Ravi takes twice as long as clean the store as Arul does. Ram needs 3 times as long as Arul does. How long would it take each of they are working to alone? Means you have to find how much time it take for each person working alone. Here question number 8. Here let Arul's speed of work, Arul's speed of work is x. Ravi's speed is y, and Ram's speed is z. Here they are working together, given that they are working together, so total, suppose working together to go there, equal x plus y plus w, x plus y plus w equal x plus y plus z equal total work is w over 6. We get part of the work, that is w by 6 here. Now Also, given that Ravi takes twice as the time of Arul finishing the work. That means Ravi speed is Ravi takes Ravi takes twice the time twice the time as Arul. Means Ravi is slow. Here Arul takes twice the time as Arul. Ravi takes twice the time as Arul. That means we can write part of the work by part of the work by is part of the works of Ravi means W over Y equal 2 times as Arul. W by X, which gives X is 2Y. Now, and second condition, Ravi takes twice as long as to clean the stores Arul does. Rom needs 3 times as long as Arul does. Here, second part is first here write y equal x over 2. The second part is w by z. That is w by z is Rom's working speed. Then equal 3 into w over x. Now from that we get x is 3z, which gives z equal x over 3. Here substitute this both in first equation. Suppose this is 1, therefore we have x plus w plus z, x plus y plus z equal w by 6 is given. Substitute x and y. X is x, y is x by 2, z is x by 3 equal w by 6, which gives LCM is 2 and 3 is 6. Here 6x plus 3x plus 2x equal w by 6 cut. Therefore, which gives w equal 11x. Therefore here we can write further x equal to w by 11. We have, from that we can see, substituting x equal to w by 11 and other things, we can write y equal x by 2, that is w by 22, and z equal to x by 3, that is w by 33. Now therefore working alone, if they working alone Arul can finish the work, that is w by x equal W by x equal to, we have x equal to W by 11, x equal to W by 11, which equal 11 hours. That means Arul can finish alone the cleaning job in 11 hours. Next, Ravi equal W by Y. Y is W by 22 equal 22 hours. Ram can finish the work in W by Z, that is W over W by 33 equal 33 hours. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.